school supplies. We made it to Winnipeg. We're going into Staples. We'll definitely need some glue. I want just a plain one.
That's cute. That's a nice one.
I got some erasers. Oh, there's some dry erase markers. I can't get it. Can you help me, Daddy? We'll definitely need a highlighters. It's kind of like a snow leopard from the zoo, but it's blue. That rhymes. I think we need a bunch of these. We need 2 of these yellow ones. Yeah. Flop. I switched out one of my pencil cases. I think I got everything. Since we're in Winnipeg, we're going to the zoo.
We haven't been here for a long time. Who are you most excited to see?
The fox.
Oh, Nushi. Or no,
The fox.
the Arctic fox?
Yeah, no, the little,
Yeah, the little white one?
Simon.
Simon. Let's see if we can find Simon.
We used to go this way to see him.
Which way?
This way.
Okay, we'll go that way. Simon's sleeping.
This time we knew how big it was.
It's the first time seeing the new cougar compound. But I don't see the cougar.
Remember that time the cougars climbed up that tree and then like jumped down?
Just like one jump, eh?
Uh-huh.
It was right over here. One jump and she was to the top of the tree?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's very hot today.
I think it's 33. How's your zoo visit so far? Best part? What's been the best part?
Polar Park.
Okay.
Hi.
Now go through there.
Go through here.
Yeah.
Ooh. The zoo's always so good. It's so hot.
Now we're going back to the car.
See you there.